Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can join communities on X. So let us guide you through it. Head over to your X account, and what you need to do is click into communities here on the left panel, and after that simply browse through the list of communities. And basically guys, if you'd like to join them, simply click into that button or that name here below or above the given community, like this one here, and that is going to redirect you to the given community. So what you want to do next guys is simply click into join here to send the join request. You may also, or that button may look different in other communities, like for example if I click into that community here, the join button will look like that, but sometimes it may look like, I don't know, send request or apply for join and something like that. So that's basically it. After that you will be asked to, for example, go through a short setup, for example, and you will also get asked to review and agree, for example, to rules and permissions. And if you're okay with that guys, and if you believe you may align to these rules, simply click into agree and join, and that's it. After that, the given community will either accept your request. As you can see, I joined this community right now, or decline it if you don't align with the group or community requirements. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.